My name is Joel Sanders, and I'm principal of JSA Mixed Design. And welcome to one of my projects in New Canaan, Connecticut. The project required us to expand the existing house to include a new kitchen, dining room, and principal bedroom without compromising the integrity of the original home designed by John Black Lee in 1957. We left the original volume of the house intact, now treating it as a living dining pavilion. It now frames views of a new garden organized around an original specimen tree that once stood in the driveway. This is an example of how we mix old and new. Instead of conventional walls, we added freestanding gray storage walls. They are set back from the perimeter windows to create uninterrupted lateral views from one end of the house to the other. And we maintained the location of the original fireplace, but now incorporated into one of the gray storage walls. In the family room, you can see the materials palette that we use throughout the house. It consists of white floors and gray accent storage walls, and in this case, a gray matching kitchen island. And notice how the interior gray kitchen wall extends outside to visually link the kitchen with the dining patio. We located the main bedroom wing at one end of the house to create privacy from the guest bedrooms located at the other. We conceived of the principal bedroom as a cube that was dropped within the new bedroom wing. This allowed us to give the bedroom area a tall ceiling height while respecting the continuous one-story roof line that visually unifies the flat roof of the new addition with the pitched roof of the existing house. Although the bedroom wing has floor-to-ceiling windows, to add privacy, we added a new bluestone wing that extends from inside to outside to shield the bedroom courtyard from the main house. In the ensuite bath, we added clear-story windows to bring natural light into the bathroom, which we clad in gray and white tiles that harmonized with the exterior bluestone walls. Like many architects, I like to make beautiful things. However, what drives the work of my studio is to create spaces attuned and suited to the needs of my clients while fostering human connectivity. So I hope the design of this residence lives up to our goal, the design of a renovation expansion suited to our clients' needs, while also respecting the integrity of an important mid-century modernist home.
Thanks for watching. Like what you see on the show? Well, be sure to subscribe to our channel. We have so many more beautiful homes to share. It's all about love. Share these homes, you know?